Jennifer Kenna with Aspire Home Buyer. We are here today at 796 North Shore Drive, the northernmost tip of Anna Maria Island, also known as Millionaire's Row, with the untouched white sand beaches without high rises or large commercial buildings, here on Florida's Gulf Coast. This 3-story, 4-bedroom, 4-bath home has oceanfront views from the kitchen, living, and dining area. Several roof decks allow you to get natural sunlight and also fresh air. The parking garage allows room for 4 cars, all your beach toys, kayaks, or even a golf cart. It also has a separate room and full bathroom which can be rented as an Airbnb or serve as a mother-in-law suite. The sun deck makes a great outdoor space for entertaining and enjoying the blue ocean views. Come see this beautiful home in person if looking for yourself or your friends and family who may want to relocate to Florida's beautiful Gulf Coast. Enter to win a free $50 gift card. We will have food, drinks, music, and prizes. Guess the final sales price and win a prize.